Long Island rim repair. As you can see, we repair and refinish alloy wheels. We also powder coat wheels. We sell wheels. That's the telephone number and our email. We can also be reached at 516-643-2284. As you can see, we have a variety of wheels. There you got a Volvo wheel. There you have a BMW wheel. That's a matching wheel. Got a Ford Mustang wheel right there. It's a Lincoln MKS wheel right next to it. You got an Envoy wheel up there. Couple of Mercedes wheels. That up there is a Lamborghini orange Chevy Corvette wheel. Even newer wheels we sell. Here's a 2013 Jeep SRT8. There's another wheel that was powder coated pink. I don't know if you can see it. It looks blue from right here, but that's a purple powder coated wheel. Got a Corvette wheel right there. Let's see what that'll look. That is a Hyundai wheel right there. Here at Long Island, we have a variety of many nice wheels. We have over 500 wheels in stock. Come check us out. We can be reached at 516-377-9557 or 516-643-2284, or shoot us an email at turboking@gmail.com. Long Island.